Why did Yoda use the Death Star to kill trillions of people? Most people know Yoda as a wise, kind, and often pacifist Jedi Master who had a deep respect and care for all life in the galaxy. However, in a Star Wars Infinities comic, Yoda acted very differently. In this timeline, Luke Skywalker failed to blow up the Death Star, only causing minor damage to its super laser. After training Luke for 5 years on Dagobah and with the Imperials triumphant, Yoda decided to take matters into his own hands. With the help of R2-D2, Yoda takes over the Death Star, using it to destroy a large portion of the Imperial fleet. He then gives the Emperor a holocall, telling him that he is coming down to see him. Yoda meant that quite literally, as he smashed the Death Star onto Coruscant's surface, killing the Jedi Grand Master, Vader, the Emperor, and trillions of the planet's inhabitants.